Hello everyone, I'm Greg Otto with FedScoop TV, and I'm here at the Social Innovation Summit today, and I'm talking with Lieutenant Colonel Mark Mellott, the Chief R&D Officer for Health IT at the Defense Health Agency. Thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
So, talk to me about how your job has been impacted by the massive amount of data that comes into your agency.
Sure. So for us, we really focus a lot of work recently across agencies.
Okay.
So we look, we're a joint agency at the Defense Health Agency, and we really focus as a combat support agency across Army, Navy, Air Force, and the Marine Corps. Now, we look at that, and we also look at the work that we have in the federal space.
Okay.
And we look at our work and our partners with VA as an example, and strengthening those partnerships, as well as some work with NSF and other agencies. Something else we've really focused in quite a bit in the last year is a lot of our outreach to partnerships with universities. And so we have a series of educational partnerships where we focus. Now, what we can give them is we focus on something a little different than you would in the normal healthcare space.
Okay.
We focus on normal clinical business value. How much does it cost to be able to do X number of procedures, and what technology can bear on that? We also focus quite a bit on the strategic value to the organization. For us, that's horribly important because, quite frankly, a lot of what we do, evacuations from a remote mountaintop,
Okay.
it is insanely expensive, absolutely.
Right.
But it is a core mission of what we
Right.
do, and that's where we focus a lot of our work on the strategic value to the organization.
What is the one thing that could change inside government that would make your job easier?
I think if we could better break down barriers between agencies, there's a lot of brilliant people.
stovepipes.
Absolutely. And that's kind of what we've seen in the past, right?
Right.
We did acquisition, and our acquisition as an example was large, stovepiped. We do a contract with an agency, and we'd look for some type of widget. And
Okay.
we'd spend X number of millions of
Right.
dollars on that. We're really looking a lot more at interoperability.
Okay.
And that's kind of where we're focusing.
Great. What is the one tool or platform that has made the biggest difference in your handling of big data?
Sure. So for us, we have a tool called Semantic Open Source Software. It's
Okay.
open source. CMOS is what we use, and we use this for a lot of our analytics. We use that to put in front of our research and development to say, we know what's going to provide us a certain amount of clinical business value and what provides us the strategic value to the organization. We then look at things like Gartner Hype Cycle, then we plug that into the open source software, and we look at that versus all the technologies that we see that are going on in industry and in academia. So with that tool, it allows us an opportunity to kind of go across space and kind of target what we call our long-range technical architecture, where we want to be 1 to 3 years from now, 4 to 6 years from now, and 7 to 10 years from now. We lay that out and say, this organization is doing this work. So we can be a little bit more targeted in our relationships, targeted in what we're going to be working on in the future.
Great. Well, thanks for stopping by. Very, very interesting to talk to you about this.
Thank you. It was my pleasure. Thank you.
For more of our videos, you can check out our YouTube channel, and for more information, check out fedscoop.com. I'm Greg Otto. Thanks for watching.